Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your profile picture on Xbox. So open up the Xbox app, select your profile and view profile. Select this part right here and you can change your player picture. It does have some problems. Maybe you need to install it, or you can just customize your profile here by changing the theme of it. By just pressing on the theme you want, and just press save once you're done with that. But it does have a lot of bugs when you try to change your profile picture, but you can just try it again later on. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!